Hi, hey, my name is Barb. You've probably seen some of my videos in the past. I want to tell you that right now Guaranty has an awesome used trailer. This is a timber ridge that's made by Outdoors RV. It's an aluminum framed trailer and it has a really nice fiberglass cap on it to deflect the water, the wind, and the rain. This unit is built over in La Grande. These people build a really nice travel trailer. So when you enter the door, the last door in the back, you get a great big window there, a nice fold out recliner area, beautiful kitchen. It's got a couple of TVs in it, a fantastic bathroom, and a nice walk around bed in the bedroom with your own door. So a lot of times people are coming in and they're looking for a quality RV, but they don't want to spend $70,000 for it. And in this case, this is a $70,000 RV that you're going to buy for a whole lot less than that. It has great tires. It's got a lot of features on it. They added an electric tongue jack to it. It's got 7.5-gallon tanks. And most of all, the people that owned it loved it. They took care of it. There are no blemishes, no breaks, no worn of anything inside this. So if you're looking for a super duper deal on a quality travel trailer, call me and ask me about this timber ridge. It is a super nice trailer. My name is Barb. My phone number is 541-521-4232. I'm looking forward to hearing your questions and helping you find a beautiful trailer at a reasonable price with a dealer that you can trust now and tomorrow. Thank you so much.